Hi, I'm Wendy from the Sensible Nutrition Program in Sweetwater County. I'm here with my grandsons today, and they're going to help us create some activity dice. They're so much fun. You just take 2 boxes, maybe if you have a tissue box, and wrap it up in some paper, and then you can write on it whatever you want to do. So we'll show you how to do it today. I'll introduce you to our fun activity people today, my grandsons.
Hi, I'm Corbin. Hi, I'm Quentin. Hi, I'm Warren.
All right, we're gonna get started now.
And 2 push-ups again. 1, 2.
Whose turn is it now?
My turn. My turn.
Okay.
1 jumping jack. 1.
That's it? Okay.
I can't say 1. 3 high knees.
Oh, good job. Very good. Good job. Okay, who wants to do it next?
Corbin. I'll do it again.
Yeah, gotta keep going. Gotta get a workout.
High knee. 4.
Oh, that's a good one.
Let's see. 1 sit-up.
Okay.
4 jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 push-ups. Okay, your turn, Wyatt. So it's butt kickers. 1, 2, 3, 4.